Today I'm going to show you how to live forever, or at least look as young as possible, because for us dudes, by the time you hit 23, 24, 25, most of you are losing your hair. Most of you are getting fine lines and wrinkles. I want you to look as good as possible into your 40s, and I'm going to do it naturally, starting with number 1. Keep your hair. Look, the fastest way to look older than what you really do is when you start losing your hair. Once your receding hairline is showing, or you're losing hair and your hairline is thinning, bro, it's like you're telling everyone that you're 35, 40 when you're probably only 21. Keeping your hair for a man is the most crucial part to look youthful and confident, and I don't want you to go to Turkey to get a hair transplant. So to fight against it, use some Rogaine. Rogaine has been around for decades. I've seen my father use it. Now you can buy it on Amazon, and it's easy to use. Today we partnered up with Johnson & Johnson to help you fight back some of this hair loss. When you use Rogaine every day, which again, simple, topical, you just a little bit of foam, apply it to the top. As soon as you start seeing your hair thinning, you're gonna notice that certain hair follicles are gonna start to revive while also increasing the density of what you already have. And what I like about Rogaine is that these guys were the pioneers. They are the ones that formulated this clinically proven solution to stop hair loss in its tracks. It's the #1 dermatologist recommended product, and on Amazon, like I said, you can get it. It'll ship in 2 days, and now you have something that's affordable, that as soon as you start seeing hair loss, like that, you can treat it and look good. Number 2, consume NAD+. This is something you've probably never heard about, right? You've heard about the vitamins, the minerals, the oils, the omega-3s. All those are good and all. I want you to add an extra supplement onto that. You can take this every day through a capsule, and its properties have an anti-aging and also degeneration prevention capabilities. NAD+ consists of one of the most important molecules in your body, which is said to be found in all living cells and is said to be the key to longevity. Number 3, hydrate your skin. Here's where most men lose. You don't know, but you got better skin than women. However, when you start creeping into your 25s, 30s, 35s, 40s, for whatever reason, it looks like women age slower than men. See, our skin naturally is 25% thicker than women's. This is biologically. We were meant to be outdoors, workers. That's what we're built for. But because we don't take care of our skin, and women do, they beat out that natural competitive advantage, and they start aging slower than we do. What I want you to do is retain that competitive advantage and take care of your skin early, and I promise you, you will age slower. If you just moisturize, which is the easiest thing to do, you're already winning. Now, because we partnered up with Johnson & Johnson, they hooked it up with other products like this Lubriderm, which has amazing reviews and is perfect for those guys with extra dry skin. You can use it both in the day and in the night. It's clinically proven to moisturize your skin for up to 24 hours, and it's infused with vitamin E and provitamin B5 plus lipids. And what I love about it most, it's clean feeling, it doesn't leave you greasy, it absorbs quickly so your skin looks hydrated all day without you looking oily. Again, you can get it on Amazon, bro. If you guys want to check it out, it will also be linked down below. Number 4, keep your smile naturally white. An easy way to look more youthful is to have a white smile. As you age, plaque naturally builds up on your mouth. This is normal. That plaque ends up looking yellow, which also ends up making you look less attractive. This is why I've always talked about having a good oral care routine is important. If you want to take it an extra step, use a mouthwash. Most of you are just flossing, but a mouthwash is also recommended by most dentists. A mouthwash will kill all the bacteria that you didn't reach with your toothbrush or with your floss to ensure you're removing all that plaque and it doesn't start building up. Obviously, some of the best mouthwash you can find is Listerine. This stuff is recommended by almost every dentist. It kills 99.9% of germs, and these germs are the ones that cause the bad breath, the gingivitis, and the plaque buildup. Just 30 seconds of rinsing twice a day in the morning and at night provides 24-hour protection against gingivitis and also just leaves your breath fresh. And the best part, it prevents the tartar buildup to keep your smile bright. And it takes 30 seconds, bro. 5, intermittent fasting. For those that don't understand, intermittent fasting is basically skipping breakfast, and you start eating anywhere from like 12 to 2 in the afternoon, and you eat in an 8-hour window while fast in a 16-hour window. Intermittent fasting has a myriad of benefits on top of boosting metabolism, burning fat, making you look better, avoiding you overeating calories, but more importantly, it can even help with aging. See, intermittent fasting triggers tons of changes in your body, some of which can help with by keeping your DNA and your cells healthier. For example, it can trigger something called a self-cleaning process within your cells that can clean out old damaged cells and proteins to make room for healthier new ones. This self-cleaning process enhances brain health, blood sugar control, and also, yes, makes your skin glow. Ultimately, number 6, do a cold plunge. See, cold therapy or cold exposure, again, has a myriad of benefits, including helping you reverse aging. The intense cold has an immediate tightening effect on your skin. The blood vessels will contract and your blood vessels will tighten, but what's important is once you release or stop the cold exposure and your skin goes to normal base level temperature, as the blood vessels dilate back to their original state, it increases a brand new flow of oxygenated blood to these areas of your skin that you expose to that cold plunge, making your skin overall look healthier, which if you do on a consistent basis, just means you're gonna look better and reduce some of those wrinkling effects.